More concerns this evening about occupational safety following Friday's explosion at the FESCO gas station in Mandeville. One trade unionist is blaming insufficient safety inspections as part of the wider problem. More from Giovanni Dennis.
Moments before Friday's gas explosion at the FESCO gas station in Mandeville.
So then I try to stop it somewhere, Jesus God. And then sit down. But it look like he can't stop.
The Manchester police say preliminary investigations raise concerns over safety practices. Today, another concern, a shortage of safety inspectors. This time from trade unionist St. Patrice Ennis.
We have a deficiency in the amount of inspectors that are able to go out there and investigate and to see that the required measures are put in place. And this is one of the things that the current act proposed OSHA would have to look at, and there is specific talk with respect to that.
The OSHA bill Mr. Ennis refers to is the Occupational Safety and Health Act, which is now before a joint select committee of Parliament. Currently, the Factories Act of 1961 governs operations at places like gas stations. Mr. Ennis says the frequency of safety inspections will increase when the new Occupational Safety Act comes into effect.
Unlike the Factories Act, which is just our own regulations, these are international provisions that Jamaica has expressed an interest to subscribe to. So it would be a requirement, of course, for us to be compliant, to have certain things in place and for there to be an effective way of measuring that we are being compliant.
In the meantime, Mr. Ennis says submissions are being made for the Occupational Safety Act to include a clause that will allow workers who feel unsafe to leave their work area without facing repercussions.
What the trade unions are seeking, which is not currently in the provisions in the bill, is that workers have the right to cease working if they deem, and there's sufficient cause to deem the environment to be unsafe.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.